Let me guess. It's 11:47 p.m. The kids are finally asleep. You've got your laptop open, a lukewarm cup of coffee that you reheated 3 times, and you're scrolling through job listings that all say remote, but somehow require you to be at an office in Cleveland by 8 a.m. Yeah, we need to talk. Because here's the truth nobody is telling you. The internet is absolutely flooded with fake remote jobs. They look real. They sound real. They've got fancy logos and professional descriptions. And then you apply, get excited, and find out the work from home part means you work from home for free, for a trial period, while also attending daily Zoom calls that start at 7 a.m. with a baby, in a house with no backup plan. No thank you. So today, I'm giving you 3 actually real legitimate work-from-home jobs that are hiring moms right now, overnight or flexible hours, that you can start looking into today. Job number 1, overnight chat support specialist. Companies like Apple, Amazon, and dozens of SaaS startups hire overnight chat agents constantly. You're not on the phone, you're typing. The kids are asleep, the house is quiet. You're solving customer problems at midnight in your pajamas and getting paid for it. Sites like Working Solutions, Arise, and LiveOps post these regularly. Look for chat only or no phone required in the filters. Starting pay typically ranges from $14 to $22 an hour, depending on the company. Job number 2, medical transcription or data entry for healthcare companies. Before you say, I don't have experience, stop. Many entry-level transcription companies offer free training. Nuance Communications, Scribey, and TranscribeMe all hire beginners. You listen to audio files, type what you hear, and submit on your own schedule. This is perfect for the mom who needs to work in broken chunks. 45 minutes here, an hour there. No one is watching the clock. You work when you can. Job number 3, virtual bookkeeping. This one sounds scary, but hear me out. If you can balance a household budget, and moms, we know you can, because somehow you stretch $200 into groceries, a birthday gift, and a field trip fee, you can learn basic bookkeeping. Platforms like Bookkeeper Launch or QuickBooks Training can have you job ready in 30 to 60 days. Virtual bookkeepers make anywhere from $25 to $60 an hour working part-time from home. This is the long game, but it is absolutely worth it. Now, here's where I have to talk about something real for a second, because here's what nobody mentions when you're grinding through late-night job applications and managing kids and running a household. Your body is keeping score. The late nights, the stress scrolling, the I'll sleep when I land the job mentality. Your cortisol levels are screaming. Your brain feels like it's running on static and sheer will. I've been there, and a friend pointed me towards something that genuinely helped: magnesium glycinate. It's not a magic pill, it's not a miracle cure, but it is the one thing that helped me actually fall asleep when I finally put the laptop down, instead of lying there with my brain running a highlight reel of every email I forgot to send. Magnesium glycinate supports your nervous system, helps reduce that wired but tired feeling, and promotes real restful sleep. There's a great option on Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. It's affordable, it's gentle, and it actually works. Think of it as the job benefit you're giving yourself while you build toward the career you actually want. So here's your homework. Bookmark this video. Write down those 3 job types. Update your resume tonight, or tomorrow after coffee. I'm not a monster. And check the description for the magnesium link, because you deserve to actually rest. You're not lazy. You're not unqualified. You're a mom who's ready to work smart. And sleep, please. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.